Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace word in Excel with blank cells. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to replace words with blank cells. At first, select your datasheet, click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on our keyboard and go to the special format. Then check mark on the blank option. Click OK. Now we can see we automatically selected the blank cell. Then go to the home menu, select the find and select drop down menu. Choose replace option and write the replace text. Now I am write blank, then click replace all. We can see the notification all done. We made 3 replacements. Then we click OK and close the window. We can see we replace the blank cell with words easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.